Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on Steam Deck. First, ensure your Steam Deck is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection. Navigate to your Steam library and locate Terraria. Select the game and proceed with the installation. This process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you are ready to launch the game and begin your adventure. Remember to keep your system software updated for the best experience. Optimizing your controls is key for an enjoyable Terraria experience on the Steam Deck. Press the Steam button, then go to Controller Settings. Here, you can browse various community layouts, often finding one perfectly suited for Terraria's unique gameplay. Experiment with different options to discover what feels most natural for you. You can also fine-tune individual button assignments, adjusting sensitivity and dead zones to achieve precise control over your character and inventory management. Take your time to set this up. To enhance your Terraria performance, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings. Reducing visual effects or resolution can significantly improve frame rates, especially during intense boss battles or when exploring complex builds. You can also set a frame rate limit, perhaps to 40 frames per second, to balance performance with battery longevity. For maximum compatibility and stability, some players find success by forcing the use of Proton experimental through the game's compatibility settings. This can resolve minor issues and ensure a smoother experience. For a truly seamless Terraria experience, remember a few advanced tips. The Steam Deck's suspend feature is incredibly useful. Simply press the power button to pause your game instantly and resume exactly where you left off. For intricate building projects or precise inventory management, consider connecting an external mouse and keyboard via Bluetooth or a USB-C hub. Finally, always keep both Terraria and your Steam Deck's operating system updated. These updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes, ensuring your adventures remain uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.